Alright, back again, and in this tutorial we will try to implement the health system. That is the health bar that we extracted here, and if I show you how it will be, I will try to play the game again. So this is our canvas, and this was our background. And if you want to you can simply uh, use this background script here and put it in your game, which we can actually. So if I try to put it here and try to pause the game, and if the background goes tops inside main menu, and here it doesn't look bad. So this is a fine place, I suppose. And you can use this like this, and similarly if you go on to this and play with these values, and if you turn it off, it does this. So if we can simply copy this what do you call these bunch of sliders, so if we go on to canvas in the background, and these are the sliders that we want to copy, and what we can do is go on to this content, not this content. I guess these are the indicators. No, they are not. So exactly where are we? This background, yeah, page here, and in the background page, this, yeah, this content we can copy to, simply copy to our main menu, and here, and now if we uncheck it, and now if we press this, we can change the things of our these things of the background, which we can which we do need. So we will try to create a prefab here. Here put the background and the content at the top, and the bar can be above the background overlay. So we will do like this, and we can, oops, and we can make it a prefab. So if I click li, and inside li you can simply drag and drop this game object. We call it background fun, and we will put it here and unpause the game, and now it will be all gone, and now we simply drag and drop into main menu again, and position would be 0 0 0, and now it's coming at the top, which we don't want. We want it behind its stuff, And now when we press play, it will be something like this. And another thing that we can do is prefab can be unpacked completely again, and then what we can do for this content thing, we can put it somewhere much more better, and align it like this so it doesn't miss his spot. And then the background would be in the middle like this. Background one is fine. And now we can simply change the settings to something like this. Something like this. And this left should be something like this, which doesn't look bad. Saturation can be like this. Now this looks perfect in my eyes, so I will press it here again, and I will remember that it was the child of main menu. So let's put it here. Uncheck this, set the position to 0, 0 again. And now I think we are good to go. Again, you guys can delete this stuff if you don't like. And so if you don't like this control panel, you can take it off, up to you guys. But now to the thing that we wanted, that was the health bar. So to put health bar, what we will do is first look for the, okay, so we will look for the meter, that heart shaped meter, this one. This is what we want. So head over to scene view, and here in scene view, double click this. Its name is, I suppose, meter fantasy. To check that we have the right meter, when we click it, it turns off. So from here we will try to uncheck it and try to duplicate these two and put it back to our other canvas which we are using, and we will put it in the canvas, not in the main menu. Again, this is important. We call it create empty. Yeah, we call it in-game canvas. And there we put these 2 meters. something like this. And now when we press play, and when we press like this, so the meters that were supposedly show didn't showed up, right? And we will try to find out what can be the reason of them not showing. So the number one reason can be that the GraphicsScaler component is missing on them, and secondly we will try to find out how we can put them further. But before that, a thing that we missed was inside global. Here we can put public static int health is equal to 100. So by default, health is 100, and it fluctuates from 0 to, or let's and so by default that, and let's not finalize how health will go up or down in case li size increases. So if li size is 3, then health would be 3 out of certain value. So this is pretty much undeterministic here at this point, and we will look at this in the